First time eating chicken in their entire lives.
I tried his culture. He's gonna try what I do back in my culture. Are you nervous?
Somehow.
You nervous to eat chicken?
Yeah. Can I have a piece, please?
Yes, you have a piece. This is his first time having chicken. So in this culture, they only eat beef and goat. They was raised just to not eat chicken. So he's eating chicken for the first time, and
It's not giving out the taste for. Yeah, all good, but we wish you're gonna visit next time. Not for work, but just for holiday. Yeah, that's what I